So with AI doing everything from writing code to debugging logs, people are asking, will AI replace cloud engineers? Now, this is a fair question. AI tools are getting faster and smarter, and some even generate infrastructure code. But here's the reality. AI is not replacing cloud engineers anytime soon, and in this video, I'm going to explain why. You see, I get it. You're seeing ChatGPT generating Terraform, and you're watching GitHub Copilot suggesting YAML configs, and you might even hear executive talking about how AI automation is going to replace entire teams. But there's a big difference between writing a script and owning production. AI might help you write the code, but will it choose the right architecture? Will it ensure security and compliance, and will it handle outages in real time? Well, the answer is no, and companies know that. Now, there's a wrong idea that cloud engineers are just DevOps techs who are clicking buttons and writing script all day, but that's just wrong. Cloud engineers are responsible for designing infrastructure, managing costs, balancing trade-offs between services, handling production incidents, ensuring compliance and data protection, and working across dev, security, and finance teams. So it's a strategic and cross-functional role, and AI is not ready for that level of responsibility. I'm gonna paint you a clearer picture of what cloud engineers really do. So you're not just spinning up EC2s or Google instances, you're designing and building systems that scale across multiple regions, meet uptime and latency service level agreements, respect cost thresholds, integrate with IAM and identity providers, pass audits, and stay alive when traffic surges. And all of this involves deep thinking, and it involves judgment. AI might write the script, but you're still the one choosing the pattern, evaluating risks, and owning the outcome. But we should note here that AI is already helpful in cloud workflows as it generates basic Terraform or YAML, it suggests startup configs, and it helps debugging error messages, and it can even analyze log patterns or metrics if prompted properly. Now, this is great at accelerating routine tasks, but if you let AI write your infrastructure without understanding what it's doing, you'll end up with fragile systems that you don't understand and cannot maintain. So in essence, AI doesn't replace the thinking part of engineering, but it enhances the typing part. As AI doesn't know your SLAs or service level agreements, it doesn't know your business goals, your latency targets, the compliance requirements, and all of that lives in your head, not in a language model. And no company is willing to hand over production infrastructure to this model that doesn't think naturally or accordingly. Now, even the best AI tools out there, from ChatGPT to Claude Code to AWS or Amazon Code Whisperer, all of these still need guardrails, as they do not deploy to production, and they do not take responsibility. They don't even know what is actually right or safe for your business. So AI might help you write the Terraform, but you still need to review it for cost impact, check it against security policies, validate it in CI/CD, and roll it out with change management. So where we're really headed towards is AI-assisted cloud engineering, not full automation, not replacement, but assistance. Think of it this way: in the past you've had CLI and documentation, but now you've got smart autocomplete, error explanation, and you've got AI helping you avoid typos or config mistakes. And the engineers who thrive are the ones who understand the cloud deeply, use AI tools to speed up repetitive work, and still take ownership of architecture, reliability, and cost. So, how do you make sure you're not the cloud engineer who, let's not say gets replaced, but let's say who is less favorable? Well, it's simple. You focus on what AI cannot do well, like cloud architecture, security compliance, cost management or FinOps, multi-cloud strategy, infrastructure observability, and working across teams. And at the same time, embrace the tools. Let AI help with templates and troubleshooting, but do not let it think for you. Because AI is common for the busy work, not the brain work, and the fastest engineers will be the ones who automate the low value stuff so they can focus on the strategic big stuff. So no, AI is not replacing cloud engineers anytime soon, but it is changing the job, and those who evolve will be 10 times more valuable. That's it for today's video. Hit that like and subscribe buttons, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to check my cloud and cloud related courses, you can check the links in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.